A respiratory virus is sweeping across the Midwest. The Minnesota Department of Health sent Minnesota schools this week information about enterovirus D68. As our Scott Sheehan tells us, the Crosby-Ironton School District prepares every year to fight off diseases.
Enterovirus D68, a fast-spreading respiratory virus that's making its way throughout schools in the Midwest. Minnesota's schools and hospitals are preparing for it to hit the North Star State.
I think I read it was identified in the 1960s. It's just not very common. And there was this outbreak of respiratory illness causing hospitalization in the summertime in the Midwest. And what I've read is that Missouri and Illinois were hardest hit.
Symptoms for D68 include runny nose, sore throat, wheezing, rash, fever, and a persistent cough. Kids with other conditions like asthma or a weakened immune system could be at risk for more severe symptoms.
One would hope that we're not sending too many kids to school sick with colds, and that's hard because it's early in the school season and we want them to learn, but if they're sick, they should stay home so that we can avoid spreading this.
The Crosby-Ironton Public Schools are constantly educating their students about not spreading diseases, not just the threat of D68.
We really tried to promote a safe learning environment for all of our students, for all of our staff. So what we do is we take universal precautions against diseases, against viruses.
To help prevent the spread of diseases, Crosby-Ironton Public Schools has Purell hand sanitizers near the lunch line, has extra food safety precautions like sneeze guards, and rewashes unused utensils. They also teach their students and faculty about the importance of washing their hands and being healthy, as well as ensuring everything is properly disinfected. But they also are aware, despite their best efforts, people get sick.
We want to continue to educate our students, our staff, our parents that, yeah, it is okay to stay home and to take care of that cough.
If you've got a child who's just got a mild cold symptom, you should just watch them. But if you have a child with a history of asthma, a history of wheezing, maybe a history of premature lung or other lung disease, you're always going to watch that cold more closely.
To prevent the spread of disease, the Minnesota Department of Health reminds everyone to cover their coughs and wash their hands often. Scott Sheehan, Lakeland News.
If you've enjoyed this segment of Lakeland News, please consider making a tax-deductible contribution to Lakeland Public Television.